Gonna take a magical carpet ride. Travel to Neverland. Just believe that you can. It feels absolutely amazing to be a part of this celebration.
Disney Enchantment is our brand new fireworks show at the Magic Kingdom that opens with the celebration of Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. Our title song, You Are the Magic, is written by Philip Lawrence. Philip actually started his career at Walt Disney World and now is coming back to share his emotional attachment that he has with Walt Disney World in the song You Are the Magic.
'Cause it's there inside. I left Disney World almost 20 years ago now to go off and pursue music, and I became a songwriter, and people know a couple, one or two of my songs. Getting the call to write the song for this 50th anniversary is just, it's been humbling, it's been emotional, because Disney has meant so much to me over the years.
Collaborating with Philip, the dream come true. I mean, the guy has been involved in some of the greatest records of the past 15 years. To work with him and then work with a new artist like Kayla on this project has been absolutely incredible.
If you believe today, it's possible tomorrow.
Disney has been a huge part of my life for a very long time. Being able to grow up in Florida and go as a kid, and now to be a part of something that will go on to live forever in the Disney legacy. And so I think that's absolutely amazing.
We're here in Iceland to record this fantastic orchestra. It's always a thrill when you get to hear a 70-piece orchestra play your arrangements.
Playing the music for the first time, I mean, it really brings that Disney feel, that Disney magic. It's almost like you're standing in the Magic Kingdom and you're watching the fireworks.
You know, we wrote this song entitled You Are the Magic, and it really spoke to me because as magical as Disney is, without the people, it's just a place.
The guests, as well as our cast members, the human touch is what makes us such a special place.
And I think together with what you experience there is really where that magic lives.
You have it in you. You are the magic.
You are the magic.